Hello and welcome to Lloyd BMW South Lakes. Today we have this fantastic BMW. It's an M140i, so that gives you the sort of very classic BMW straight six petrol turbo engine in the front, driving the rear wheels. 340 brake horsepower, so this thing really is a pocket rocket. Right, this particular car was registered in September 2016, putting it on a 66 plate. It's covered just under 33,000 miles. Nice options on the car. You've got front and rear parking sensors, so no excuses for bumping into anything. As you can see there, you've got the privacy glass on the rear of the car. You've got electric folding mirrors, you've got heated seats as well. The colour is Alpine White, which is the non-metallic white from BMW. Some people prefer it because it is more of a white, as the mineral white, which is the metallic, is a little bit more creamy. And inside we have black Dakota leather. This car's also had the optional black grills fitted, which I think look a lot better than the chrome ones. And you can tell they're 140s because they've got the sort of ferric grey wing mirrors and bumper inserts as well. No fog lights on these cars. Wheel wise, you've got 18-inch ferric grey alloy wheels. You've got the upgraded brakes, of course, with all that performance on the you can tell the upgraded brakes with the blue brake calipers. This model's obviously the 5-door. So inside the car we've got, I always think this is quite nice, little M140 on the kick plate there. You've got black Dakota leather, obviously performance cars. You've got sports seats, you've got the bigger side bolsters, you've got the adjustable under thigh supports as well. We've got electric windows, we can lock the ones out in the back for unruly children or adults. We've got electric folding mirrors as well. We've got this very nice aluminium trim. I'll just jump inside, close that door. Start the car, foot on the brake, press the start button, and that lovely 6-cylinder engine comes to life. Right, what else? So mileage wise, here we've got there 32,763 miles. We've got satellite navigation if we select reverse. We've got parking sensors on the front and the rear of the car, so you've got the audio and the visual. You've got DAB radio on here. You've got Bluetooth. If we use the radio, the satellite navigation, I'll just zoom out and show you where we are. So we're up in the Lake District up in Cumbria, and we're about 10 minutes off junction 36 of the M6, and we're just to the south of Windermere. So a beautiful part of the world. If you're ever passing, feel free to drop in. You've got dual zone climate control, you've got heated seats, a couple of drinks holders down here. You've got the fantastic gearbox, automatic gearbox. Leave it alone, sort itself out. But if you are in the mood, you do have the option of changing gears manually using the paddles, which are mounted either side of the steering wheel like so. You've also got cruise control, you've got speed limiter, you can change radio stations, answer your phone over on this side. Down here we've got automatic lights, and we've also got automatic wipers. We've got a focus there for you. There you go. Automatic wipers as well. Right, let me just turn it off and I'll show you the rest of the car. So 5-door, 3 seat belts across the back. 2 outer seats have got ISOFIX in there as well. Coming around the back of the M140 badging and the 2 exhausts, one on either side. Reasonably sized boot on the 1 Series, and if you do need more space, you can fold the seats down as well. And there we have it. So this car currently for sale here at Lloyd BMW South Lakes. If it's of any interest, then give us a shout. We can arrange any finance figures, test drives, answer any of your questions. And if you're not local to us, don't worry, we also offer a nationwide delivery service as well. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.